everybody, I'm back with another pepper update for February. I figured I'll just do a monthly update until we get them back outside, which currently our outside looks like this. Yeah, just more and more snow, cold, freezing rain, the whole nine. You name it, we've had it, and I have had it with winter. But to see these growing in here is great. I've got some new flowers coming on. The leaves are looking good, except for that one is a little yellow. Probably too much water. Got some more flowers over here. I'm really not trying to grow peppers, but they're doing something here. Look at that little bud. I cannot look through the thing. There we go. Well, this one has 3. There's one down there. But like I said in the last video, I just want them to stay alive until I can get them outside. Actually, there's another one. I'm using my phone, so I can't really zoom in very well. Let me just turn it around a little bit. Okay. It's been below 0 around these parts lately. Like days and days of below 0 weather. And with the wind chill, it was like -27 and crap like that. But, and I can feel a little bit of a draft from this window coming at them. So I will open the vent for the heat a little more so that they can stay a little warmer. I'll probably put some plastic up on this window to help out too, to keep the extra draft out of the way. I just don't want them to suffer and go through shock of going back and forth and blah, blah, blah. But for the most part, they're doing well. Considered sending them downstairs and putting them under a grow light to see if I could actually get these flowers to produce some peppers. Wouldn't that be something? But yeah, for now, I'm just keeping them alive. And this one's not. That one didn't survive, so I just pulled it up and just left it there because my compost bin is kind of covered in about 6 inches of snow, so I can't really compost. Alrighty, that's it. Just a short, sweet update on our little overwintering of the peppers. See you back next month with another view. Should start getting warm by March. Keep my fingers crossed.